Alright, so I got another one of those 8 1-liters that are going nuts. Just not running right. I had one before. There's my fuel gauge. Right in half of that is where I should be on fuel. Watch the needle. Hopefully you'll see the needle, what's going on. This is the worst one I've ever seen for a back check valve. Totally shot. It's real hard starts. It just does not maintain pressure. Pretty sure it's just vapor locking. See that needle? Just watch it. It just goes off the scale, builds pressure, and then just drops. That should be between 50, 60 psi. I can't even get up there just by cycling the key. And then once I finally get it going, it'll start. Pump looks like it's running about the same amount of pressure. Good amount of pressure. Keep it running, just under load it's not doing it. So what I'm thinking, pretty sure, I'm gonna replace the fuel pump, retest, and then I'm probably gonna find some dirty injectors as well, just like my last one. And go from there and let you guys know. Thanks.